If you like something unique, something that no one else has, check this out. Hi, Nick again from Carlton Motor Company. We only specialise in one-off rare vans, and this is one of them. The 2023 Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase. It's the medium roof, 9-seater crew cab. It's the Euro 6 model, 130 PS, so you can go into all your city centres with this one, low emissions. Let's have a look at what we've done. So we've done some little subtle changes, which just puts our name on it. We've got some colour-coded front fog lights. We've got the Ford Raptor grille. We've colour-coded the mirror backs. And if you look here, we've put a privacy tint on the back so you can't see into the rear, nice and private, 9-seater. You've got your phone charge USB sockets, you've got your non-slip floor, no expense spared on this conversion, guys. You've also got a rear tool storage area, which is great for getting all your gear in. You can even get the family in. A lot of people do like to buy the minibuses and crew vans now because you can't get nothing in 7-seater cars. Now look at the wheels. These are 20-inch EUROSPORT Wolf race wheels. They've got the upgraded commercial tyre on them, so it will carry the loads. And let's have a look at the cab. It's done 32,000 miles, direct to us off a business lease. That's how it's coming to us. It's all coming with seat covers on, being very well maintained, DAB digital radio, 6-speed gearbox. It's lovely. You've even got a beacon on the top of the roof. So this vehicle can be delivered to you anywhere in the UK with a 12-month MOT, a service and a warranty. Please call us for Nick or Chris, and thanks for watching.